My name is Perry Hoffmann. I'm chef partner at the Boonville Hotel. My uncle, John Schmitt, bought it back in 1988, a little over 30 years ago. It is 15 rooms with a huge emphasis on food. Food is just incredibly important to our family. Being kind of born and raised around this restaurant. First time I ever had cookie dough was in this building. First time I ever had focaccia was in this building. But it was actually my first kitchen job almost 20 years ago. A wonderful career. I'm back in the Anderson Valley. This is a little beef tartare with Spanish white anchovies, all wrapped up in a large nasturtium leaf. Grass-fed beef, we get all from right over the hill in Healdsburg, called J brand. We just mix it up, a little bit of salt, toasted black peppercorns, mix a little bit into the beef tartare. We also put some into the aioli. Really, really beautiful petite white anchovies out of the Mediterranean, and a little bit of flour and rosemary. This is a little fuyu persimmon, green tomato carpaccio. Fun little snapshot, kind of a little micro season. Tomatoes just ending where the weather's gotten cold and not warm enough to let them ripen, but there's still lots of unripe fruit. So we love shaving those. When you shave them, they have this really beautiful, crunchy, tart kind of flavor, which is a really, really nice contrast to the kind of sweeter style persimmons. We put that on top of pennyroyal lychee. Lychee is actually buntline for cheese, and it's a mixture of sheep and goat's milk. Lots of lime juice, lime zest, and pimenteville. Really, really special pepper to us. Pimenteville is actually the Espelette pepper that's grown traditionally in the Basque region of France. Bucket Ranch is a farm here in the valley. They produce actually about 10% of the world's total supply of the Espelette pepper in our small little agrarian community here. So really, really special. This is a 55-degree smoked salmon citrus dish. It's all dressed with a little bit of seedlip. Seedlip is a distilled botanical non-alcoholic beverage. Works really well in place of a consommé. Shaved radishes from our garden, a little bit of bronze fennel, first yarrow this fall, and a little bit of fennel palm. This is a little charred cabbage and chanterelle mushroom set with smoked dates. Bleu de Auvergne. Cabbage is really nice and smoky. We cook over our grill with lots of almond and oak wood. We also smoke our dates over that almond and oak wood, which kind of chars the outside and also gives it smokiness. Bleu de Auvergne is one of my favorite cheeses that hails from France, 100% cow's milk, incredibly creamy and rich, which pairs really, really nice with the dates and with the sherry vinegar alyssum over the top, along with some Mexican marigold. Really intense flavors, but perfect for this fall. Little local pork belly that we just braised off. We have some beautiful sprouting purple cabbage shoots from our garden that we just love to eat raw. It's all dressed with a little pomegranate, pimenteville, and cider vinaigrette. We also have a few little roast shallot, little petals around the dish as well.